This is gonna be your side bridge with a toe tap. So I'm gonna start off in a side bridge position. The difference between a side plank is I'm hand supported. A side bridge is I'm going to be elbow, forearm, and hand supported here. Having said that, I wanna think about actively pushing through my elbow while keeping my forearm and my hand grounded for extra support. I wanna think about relaxing through my upper trap and elongating through my neck. Now from here, I can keep that bottom knee bent. This is gonna be level 1. All I'm doing here is now an isometric on that bottom hip. So I'm having my bottom glute med activate here. This top leg here is the one doing the toe tap. So I wanna make sure I have a nice straight leg. If I do level 1, I would encourage you to get a yoga block and place it right on the bottom of where that bottom foot would be if it were straight. So I'm here in this position, I can start here, and this is a cue for me to clear, so I don't just swing my leg through, okay? So I'm here actively driving, shoulder is stacked over elbow, nice and supported through the upper body, actively driving through. Simultaneously, I wanna think about pulling the elbow down towards my ribs to create that lateral chain activation. Now hips are straight, leg is nice and straight, quad is extended, and I'm extending over. I wanna keep my hips stacked. The common compensation here, especially going back, is you're gonna wanna swing that toe outward, going into external rotation where that glute is taken over. The glute is working, but it's your glute med, that outer glute that keeps the hips nice and stable. That is the whole function and intent of this exercise, is hip stability, both in an isometric and dynamic fashion. So I'm here, supported, side bridge, yoga block is there, clearing, actively breathing, braced and supported, good support on my upper body, driving the elbow towards my ribs, clearing the yoga block. If I wanna level up, I can either put the yoga block on the tall side, or I can go straight legs. Now I'm having to clear my leg here. But again, hip stability is gonna be key. I wanna make sure I'm not swaying, doing anything weird. And that is gonna be your side bridge toe tap.